So I added the mountains in the background. I got my donkey hanging out, tied up so he don't take off. Got the dog on the porch. It doesn't really look like a dog. We got the truck parked in the yard, one big ass chicken. Little wishing well. I tried to put some glue in there for water, but it spilled out the back, so I just threw the rocks on it. But man, got the whole freaking farm nativity scene on this joint now. Don't come knocking at the door. The dog gonna get you. Look at the 52, even got a flatbed. And that bitch got some rims on it. Ain't got the Cummins off in it yet, but